Apat na chords lang ito, katipa. Maki, ang kantang Dilaw. Let's start. Paring Don here. Mag-subscribe ka na sa aking channel. Guitar tutorial na. Mag-gitara tayo lahat. Mag-gitara tayo. Alright, let's start. Apat lang. Meron tayong A. Unang chord, okay? X, 6 string X, and then A. Siyempre, notang A. 5th string, open. 0. And then, 2, 2, 2. So, 4th string, 2nd fret. 3rd string, 2nd fret. Another 2nd fret, ang 2nd string. Then, open. 0 ang 1st string. So, yun. Ganyan ang pagbasa dyan sa aking chord chart, mga beginner dyan. Okay? X, 6 string X, and then 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. A. Tapos merong E. Okay? 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Ganyan ang pagbasa ng chord chart ko dyan. Tapos merong F sharp minor. Pag bar chord, ganito. Ipitin mo talaga yan. Tapos meron dito. So, 2, 4, 4, tapos 2, 2, 2. Pero, para madali, pang beginner, ito na lang, shortcut. Puro 2nd fret. 6 string 2nd fret. Kaso, ito, 5th string, kailangan naka-mute. So, yung balat mo, idadantay mo dun sa 5th string para hindi tumunog. Para kaskas lang. Ganon. Tapos, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, ang 3rd string. Ganyan. Ayan. Shortcut sa F sharp minor yan. Alright? Then D, susunod. So, X, X, 6th string X, 5th string X, and then open ang 4th string. And then 2, 3, 2. Ganon. D. Yun. Paano tugtugin? Yan. Down, down. So, A. Down, 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 up. E. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up. F sharp minor. Down, 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 up. D. Up, down, up, up, down, up. Rawr, 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 rawr. Hindi na aso. Okay, counting natin. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, ganyan lang kadali ang kantang yan. Yung intro, meron ka munang A and E. Tapos, dire-diretso na. Alright? Ayoko na. Ang ingay ng aso. Bye, Paring Don.